Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic OpenShoot tutorial how to cut video. As example, I will import video. I will use this video, click open. Then you can insert into tracking. The next, I will use this tool, enable razor, so you can cut the video. So I will cut at this point, then cut again in here. Now you can click again to close, and then you can move or you can erase the cutting object by pressing delete button. I will use again this razor, and then I will cut at this point. You can click again to disable and select the video, press delete button to delete. Okay, that's it for basic OpenShoot tutorial how to cut video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.